Today we are going to be making some ice cream! Woo! I know, I'm shouting. I love to shout. So here's the things you'll be needing to make ice cream. You'll be needing some sugar, some heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, salt. Alright, you'll be needing a measuring cup and spoon, and lots of measuring spoons. When I say lots, I mean lots. You'll need 2 plastic bags. You'll need 1 big plastic bag and 1 small one. And you'll be needing ice, which is in the freezer. So let's start with the basics. Well, the basic. Alright, so yeah. What you want to do is you want 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Alright, I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, which is good. So now what you want to do is you want to add it into your small plastic bag. Oh my gosh, it's on my lap. You want to add the whole thing into your plastic bag. So mine look like this. Yeah. Alright, so you want to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. I just got a weird out right there. I had to think. So 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's going to be really sugary. You're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you don't have 1 teaspoon, just take 1½ and 1½ you just need to take 2 1½. Come on, you can do it. Believe in you. Alright. I love how the birds chirp outside. It's so lovely. Alright. And now that you added that in, you want to close your bag. And you want to just mush it like so. I'm back. I have got the ice, and disclaimer, I have to have another bag because the other bag leaked. So what I have to do now is, well, I have to add another tablespoon of sugar because all the sugar sunk to the bottom at the other bag, in the other bag I meant. And now I'm just gonna add that. I need to fully close this before I, So I believe it's closed. So now what you want to do is you want to, don't you dare make an appearance. All right. All right, so now I'm just gonna mix it up in the bag. Please don't tell me this is another leaker. Okay. All right. It is still at the bottom. What is wrong with this? All right. All right, so I'm just gonna jiggle, 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 jiggle. All right, so now that it is all mixed together, I'm gonna set that to the side. Now you wanna take your bigger plastic bag, and you wanna add in tons of ice. 1 container of ice. 2 container of ice. 3 container of ice. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of ice. So, yeah, that was a lot of ice. Now you want to take your salt. You can eyeball it, but I'm just going to take, I'm just eyeballing it. Well, I'm just going to do 1 tablespoon. That is a lot of salt, but bye-bye. All right, so what you wanted to do is you want to make sure you squeeze out all the air as possible in your plastic bag with all the creamy stuff in it. All right. Now you want to put it in the bag that has. So I'm going to re-wrap this already. Hold on. That has all the ice and the salt in it. Alright. Now you want to seal that bag in. Here's when the fun part begins. You want to shake it!
2 hours later.
Guys, I am back in. Ow, I just hit my foot. And here is the ice cream. It looks so good and it's so cold. So let's dig in. If I can get the thing open. How do I do this? All right, I have got it open. Whoa, it looks so creamy inside. All right, so time to try it.
So delicious!
It's very good. It's like really good. But it kind of has salt in it because the bag leaked. Every single bag we had just started to leak. And that was the bad part about it. Well, stay happy, stay positive, and KK is out.